Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Russian. If you'd like to add a new one, just tap on Add a Language. And here we've been transferred to the, I would say, quite wide list of the languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French. As you can see, we can choose the region, so the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our list, but the English is still a main language. So in order to change it, in order to set French as a main one, simply tap on it and hold it. I mean, tap on the French language or whatever language you've chosen. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And wait a second. And as you can see, after a while, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show you it again. Let me change to the English, so tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. In the same situation, it immediately actually changes. So now if you'd like to remove the language, because for some reason you don't want to have 3 or 4 different languages added to this list, all you have to do is simply tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Now make sure that you will mark the languages you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's tap on OK. And as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.